So this is what the room is looking like so far since I painted the walls. See if I can get a good view of it. The room is completely empty. All of the walls are done. I like it. And so now I want to shampoo the carpet in this room. I've already used my vacuum. I've already vacuumed in here. And so now I'm getting ready to shampoo this carpet before I bring in any kind of furniture of any kind, anything. And these are my cleaners that I am using. I am using the Zep Premium Carpet Shampoo. And I'm using the Clorox Scentiva for the scent. And if you have not smelled the Scentiva flavor of the Clorox, you are missing out. It smells amazing. So I have mixed it in with the Zep into my compartment here, along with some clean water. And I'm getting ready to get to work shampooing this carpet. It doesn't look bad, but every 6 months I would like to just clean it back up. You can see where there are some, you know, wear marks on the carpet, like going towards the closet area. And I'm just ready to just clean this carpet back up, get it smelling fresh in here. And tomorrow I will be picking up the bed, the mattresses to put in this room. And I'm bringing you along the way as I get it together in here, since I am an empty nester now. So yeah, if you're interested in watching me shampoo this carpet, keep on watching, girl. So far, I have shampooed the carpet in here. And this is what it's looking like so far. It smells so fresh and clean in here, but the floor is really, really damp. So it'll have enough time to dry before I bring anything in here. But it is clean. Rest of my carpet, like I said, I do it every 6 months, and I figure if I'm paying for it, I might as well keep it clean. You know, every 6 months. There's no spots or anything in here. It's just that I just want to keep it clean. You know, I don't have a whole lot going on in here just yet, but I just want to shampoo the whole house. So I've already done my room. I like to overlap my runs. That way I know that I'm getting every area. Just want to give you guys an idea what the carpet is looking like right now. Oh, it smells so fresh and clean in here. Yes. Love it, love it. Gave away all of my furniture that was in here. Gave it all away. But the fake plants and lamps that I do have, I moved them all to the kitchen, way over there on the kitchen table and stuff, just to get it out of the living room so that I could shampoo the full room. And my tables that I thrifted, moved them over there, stacked them up. And I still have that one chair, which, you know, I really love. I'm going to move it upstairs to the room that I just shampooed. So that's where that chair is going. And I'll just be on the hunt for some brand new furniture for my living room. So as it stands right now, I don't have anything down here. But the carpet is clean. So what I did was shampoo the carpet so I can stay ready and I don't have to get ready for whenever it comes. And I always take my shoes off and ask that, you know, my visitors take their shoes off too when they come in, because I'm trying to save this carpet for as long as I can. And that's it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Make some comments below. You know, do you shampoo your carpet every 6 months? I know I do. My months are July and January. July because it's my birthday month and it's easy to remember. And January because it's the first of the year. So I've been in this house almost 5 years, been on the same schedule, and so far so good. This carpet has lasted this long. So thumbs up this video if you like it. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. And welcome back if you've been gone for a while. I know I have. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye for now.